I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can change settings. Use an administrator account or have your sign-in PIN ready. Once ready, press Windows key plus I to open settings. This gets you straight into the configuration without detours. Next, click Accounts, then select Sign-in Options. This is where Windows centralizes lock and sign-in controls. Make sure to stay on that page while we adjust the lock behavior and choose a method that fits your security needs. Now you configure how Windows locks. First, set up Windows Hello. Choose PIN, fingerprint, or face because they're fast and secure. Click Add and follow prompts to register. Once done, pair your phone via Bluetooth and enable dynamic lock so Windows locks automatically when your phone moves away. Then adjust Require Sign-in under Sign-in Options. Choose when Windows asks for credentials after sleep or screen timeout. This controls convenience versus security, so pick a setting that matches your threat tolerance. Finish by testing your setup. Press Windows key plus L to lock instantly and confirm the chosen method prompts you correctly. If automatic lock or dynamic lock doesn't engage, make sure Bluetooth is on and paired, update or reinstall device drivers, and reboot. These often resolve connectivity issues. If problems persist, open Event Viewer to look for sign-in or lock-related errors and use those messages to guide searches or support requests. Once working, your lock behavior is secure and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.